Welcome back to the channel, guys. Venia Speaks Tech, and this is Samsung Expert RAW latest version. It's the 100021. So there has been a user from XDA that released the APK. I'm going to put the link down below to the thread and also where you can download it. Once you download it, guys, it's very easy. You just install it over and boom, you have the latest version, and it's still gonna be the same application, right? You pretty much know what you can do with the Expert RAW app. It's namely using all the lenses like the ultra wide that we have here, going also to the wide one, going to the telephoto lens, the 3x, and also using the optical 10x, and be able to manually manipulate everything. The ISO, the speed, the EV, the focus, the white balance, it's really incredible. And of course, the main benefit, of course, is you can shoot raw pictures. Now you might be wondering what exactly is new here in this latest version, and I can help you to find out. If you go here, guys, to the settings, there's gonna be one option called the high efficiency RAW. Save space by capturing RAW in high efficiency format. And that's about it, guys. We have this new option, and what I'm going to do right now in this video, I'm going to test it in ultra wide, in wide, in tele 3, tele 10, and just see how much space can you gain by using the high efficiency RAW. Before doing that, I need to ask you if you're subscribed for my channel. Yeah, if not, then please help me and consider subscribing to the channel, guys. I really hope you're gonna find some interesting videos. Now let's start. The first shootout is gonna be me doing 4 pictures using all the cameras without using the high efficiency RAW. So without any further ado, let's go and do the ultra wide one. Okay, I'm gonna go now and use the 1x camera. All right, now I'm gonna jump and start using the 3x camera after I have, of course, some focus and the shutter button is released. DNG files, guys, they're really big. Okay, and now I'm gonna go and use the super telephoto, which is the 10x, guys. Okay, now we're here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go inside the settings. I'm going to enable the high efficiency RAW, and I'm going to repeat the same pictures. Then we're going to compare the sizes. Okay, ultra wide. Let's go now and do the 1x camera, which is the wide sensor. See, it's taking a bit longer, I guess, just a bit more compression. It's taking actually noticeably longer. So the wide, okay, now going to the telephoto one. Okay, still compressing. Okay, that's probably a good sign, and I will expect really reduced sizes. Now the 3x one, okay, waiting for the phone to do its job, and then the final super telephoto 10x with high efficiency RAW enabled. Okay, good. Now, guys, I'm gonna go back at my home and do 4 pictures inside and then compare it all for you. This is now the second shootout. I have removed the high efficiency RAW, and we're gonna be practically doing the same. So I'm gonna shoot an ultra wide, you see, quite quick, wide 10x. All right, it's very quick, by the way. Inside telephoto 3x. Okay, now giving some hard time and saving. It's taking a while, and then going to the ST, the super telephoto 10x without high efficiency RAW. Okay, see, this is gonna take a while. Now I'm gonna go back in the setting, enable the high efficiency RAW, and just do 4 more shots. Okay, ultra wide, gonna go now for wide. Okay, then the telephoto 3x, taking quite a while, you can see. Okay, and then last but not least, the super telephoto 10x. All right, this is gonna take a while. Okay, I'm waiting for the shutter button to be released. Now going for ST10X. And now, guys, the moment of truth, I'm going to compare all these images. Now, guys, we need to understand this is a lot to analyze. So we really have a lot of pictures. The reason for that is that every time you use the Expert RAW app, you're gonna get a DNG RAW picture, but also a regular JPEG saved. And of course, there are differences. So let me just start from the very beginning. To give you a better example, this is the first picture I've shot without using the high efficiency. And when I go now into the details, you can see this is a JPEG file. It is only 6 megabytes, all right? Now, here you don't see the indication of being JPEG, but when you scroll and see the next one, you're gonna see an indication this is indeed a RAW file. I have made a very interesting finding. This here is using the wide 1x camera, and this is a RAW picture without the high efficiency one. So RAW picture, no high efficiency, you can see 45 megabytes. If I am to find the very same picture, right, it's here, again RAW, but using the high efficiency RAW format, yeah, 38.70. So Indeed, guys, there is some compression going on. Let me just give you more examples. This here is the ultra-wide picture from the inside scenario. You can just see 26 megabytes, okay? And now I have to scroll down and try to find the other one. So this is the raw picture, same scenario, guys, same camera, but it is 20 megabytes. So you're getting between 2, 3 to 5, 6 megabytes of improvement. But let me just give you more. This is using here the 3x telephoto camera. It's a RAW format, but no high efficiency RAW. And as you can see, guys, it is 35 megabytes. Now let me just try to find the same picture, again RAW format, but with high efficiency RAW enabled. It is 30 megabytes. So it's 5 megabytes less. This really is the best thing from this update, because you can still benefit from shooting RAW images, but when using the high efficiency RAW, you'll try to save at least on the space, like 3 megabytes, 5 megabytes on every shoot. Why not? It's really up to you. I really hope that you have enjoyed the videos like this. If that's the case, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, if you have a question, put it down below in the comments. The link for the download is into the video description, guys. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. With that said, peace, over and bye.